Hey everyone, let's be real for a second. Have you ever felt like you're just drowning in information? Because you are definitely not alone. The internet is this massive, kind of chaotic place. But what if I told you there's a much, much better way to navigate it all? Today, we're going to build your very own AI research toolkit. And I promise it's going to completely change how you learn and discover things online. So let's dive in. You know the feeling, right? We have all been there. You start with one simple search and then boom. Before you know it, your screen is just this nightmare of tabs, each one a tiny, confusing piece of a puzzle. It's like trying to build something when you have pieces from 10 different boxes. It's not just frustrating, it's just not a smart way to work. So what's the big secret? Well, it's not about finding one single magical tool that does everything. Nope. The real trick is to build a team. Think of it like a pit crew for your brain, where every member is a specialist with a very specific and very powerful job. This simple idea, this is where things get really good. Okay, first up on the team, meet your scout, Perplexity AI. This is your go-to for finding out what's happening right now. Think of it as a super smart search engine that actually talks back to you. It's built for what we call horizontal research, basically scanning the entire live, breathing internet to give you quick, fact-checked answers on, well, everything from breaking news to the latest industry trends. Next, we've got the scholar of your team, Google's Notebook LM. Now, this is where you go for the deep, focused work. You feed it your own documents, your PDFs, your notes, whatever sources you have, and it becomes an expert only on that specific material. We call this source-grounded, which is just a fancy way of saying it won't make stuff up or pull in random facts from the web. That means you can trust its answers 100% because they're based only on your info. And rounding out the team, meet your producer, Google Gemini. This is where it all comes together. After your scout has gathered the intel and your scholar has analyzed it, Gemini is the one who brings it all to life. It's a total creative powerhouse. It can turn all those raw insights into polished reports, beautiful presentations, or even just a perfectly worded email. And the best part? It's all built right into the Google Workspace you probably already use every day. And here it is, the secret sauce. This simple but incredibly powerful 3-step workflow. You start wide, using your Scout, Perplexity, to go out and find the best, most relevant sources. Then you go deep, using your Scholar, Notebook LM, to analyze those sources and find all the hidden connections. And finally, you bring it all home with your producer, Gemini, to create something amazing. Scout, analyze, create. That's it. It's that simple. You know, one of the biggest problems with AI is trust. How do you actually know if what it's telling you is true? Well, that's where Perplexity really shines. It doesn't just spit out an answer. It shows you its work. Every single claim is backed up by a clickable source, so you can see for yourself exactly where the information came from. That kind of transparency is a game changer, and it's what makes it the perfect tool to start any research project. All right, let's talk about step 2 because this is where things get really cool. You take all those high-quality, cited sources you found with Perplexity and you just drop them into your Scholar, Notebook LM. Think of it like creating your own personal, private library. You can ask it super complex questions, tell it to find connections between different documents. You can even have it generate summaries for you, all based only on the material you've given it. It's like having a personal research assistant who's an absolute expert on your specific topic. And now for the grand finale. Step 3. You take all that amazing, deep synthesis from Notebook LM and you hand it right over to your producer, Gemini. This is where your research truly comes to life. You can ask it to draft a full report, create a slide deck, generate some awesome images for your presentation. You can even have it email a summary to your whole team, all with just a simple prompt. It is the ultimate creative partner. So, let's just break it down one more time so it's crystal clear. Each tool has a very specific job. Perplexity is your window to the live web. Notebook LM is your own private library, only working with the documents you give it. And Gemini, it's the ultimate multitasker, combining its own vast knowledge with the web and your files. So Perplexity finds, Notebook LM analyzes, and Gemini produces. It's really a beautiful system when you put it all together. So when do you use which tool? Look, it all boils down to one simple question. Are you looking for brand new information, or are you trying to understand documents you already have? If you need to know what's happening right now, the latest news, what's trending, breaking research, Perplexity is your answer, hands down. But if you're working with a specific set of documents, say a folder of historical letters, a bunch of legal files, or even your class notes, Notebook LM is the undisputed champion, no contest. But hey, don't just take my word for it.
Let's look at what actual users are saying. According to data from G2, people absolutely love Perplexity for how easy it is to use and for its amazing ability to handle really complex questions. And Gemini? Well, it's a natural at conversation, which makes it the perfect partner when you're ready for that final creative push.
Okay, if you only remember one thing from all of this, please make it this slide. This is your cheat sheet, your simple rule of thumb. When you need to find info out there on the open web, you call in your scout, Perplexity. When you need to study a specific set of documents you already have, you bring in your scholar, Notebook LM. And when you are ready to produce that final polished masterpiece, you turn to your producer, Gemini. Find, study, produce. It really is that simple.
I really hope this workflow helps you conquer the chaos of the internet and just unlock your own research superpowers. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. We've got a ton more stuff like this coming your way. And hey, I would love to hear from you. What's a complex topic you want us to tackle next? Drop it in the comments below.
And as we wrap things up here, I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on. We just built an AI research team, but as these tools get even smarter and more connected, it kind of makes you wonder, right? What does the future of learning even look like? How will the very act of discovery and creation actually change? It's a huge question, and I'd love to hear what you think about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today.